What's up, everyone? I had the urge to make a dramatic intro, so let me know how it came out. I don't know. I've never done something like that, I don't think so. Anyways, I know it's been a minute. I was on vacation. I'm still recovering from an injury from work. All sorts of stuff going on. I didn't film really anything in New York when I was visiting, unfortunately. I just was busy and helped my brother get his truck back together and stuff like that. So I just figured I'd take the whole time to just relax and chill with the family. But I did post stuff on Instagram Reels, so get a few clips of my brother's Integra and stuff while we're out there. But anyways, today I think we're just going to go for a POV drive on the EF Hatch because I haven't driven it in a long time, and you gotta keep fluids moving in it because it's just been sitting. But anyways, hope you enjoy this video. Also, stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to be doing a giveaway here soon to celebrate 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. So thank you guys so much. I mean, I know it's been a rough time for content with everything that I got going on right now, but I do appreciate every one of you sticking around, and hopefully you're going to be turning things around here soon. Still don't have my truck back after 16 months on that 2-month build, so we'll see. I don't know, dude, but anyways, we're going to make things happen right now. So hopefully from this point on, we're going to be doing some good content here, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna stop here and take some pictures quick. I'm gonna leave the car running because my battery was dead earlier and I don't want to get stranded out here. There's like no service. Look at this guy going in for the pass. But take some pictures, cinematics, and then head back. This road is really boring. I was just kind of getting sick of the mountain road because it's just like the same thing over and over. I feel like that's pretty boring. But there's really like no windy roads anywhere near where I live. It's like there's 3 straight roads or something, and then the rest is all county gravel and dirt roads. So yeah, not ideal Kanjo content. This launch control is set like perfect. that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Nothing too crazy. Just wanted to go for a little cruise and, like I said, get the fluids going on the Civic. Also, giveaway. I'll explain this real quick. So if you don't know much about Hot Wheels, this is I don't even know how to pronounce it, the Zamac. I've heard people call it ZMAC, or ZMatic, and that doesn't make sense because it's extra words. But anyways, this is a 2015 edition. This is actually worth like $40 to $50. By no means is it a perfect car. It has a little dent there and stuff, but figured it'd be cool to do a giveaway. It's worth a little bit of money, and it is like a Kanjo EF Civic, so pretty dope. You will see online there is a newer version. Those ones are only worth like 15, 20 bucks. They have white wheels. This is a 2015 edition, so it is worth a little bit more money. So in order to be entered for the giveaway, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and continue to watch the videos. I'll probably be announcing it in the next maybe 2 videos. I got a lot going on right now, so I'm trying to organize things, but yeah, just be sure to watch videos, be sure you're subscribed, and follow along on Instagram as well, Kanjo_brothers, and follow on there if you want to see more content as well. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next video.